Hey everyone, Davey here with the Fragrance Bros, again with another unboxing, this time on Valentino Uomo by Valentino. Now, if you're not already aware, I have a full review up here. You can go check a card up there and I have a full review. And that's with my friend George, fellow reviewer. And I am not a big fan of this, but I know a lot of people are. And of course, before we get started, knife of the day. This is my Crux from Fair and Forge. A beautiful knife. Oh man. So great. Love it. Let's go ahead and open up the plastic here. As for the box itself, I like the box a lot, quite a bit actually. I really like that kind of taupe or it's like a flat or eggshell finish there. I think it's really simple and elegant. I really enjoy that. As for the bottle, we'll get to the bottle. So, this is a little safety cap there, which you can, I guess, store on there if you're traveling. I don't know how well that does, but anyway, take that off there. And this is the bottle. This is what you have. Some people really love this. Other people, like me, really hate it. Some people have pointed out that this is supposed to be reminiscent of a whiskey decanter, and I can see that. But whiskey decanters still look better than this. There's just something about it. And then plus, the smell itself does not reflect whiskey, so it doesn't make sense that this would be something that would be modeled after a whiskey decanter, because this is very much a gourmand scent. Very sweet, very woody. Some aspects I like, some aspects I don't, but I'm not a huge fan of it overall. The bottle itself is this one is a 50 ml bottle right here. Of course, they have it in different sizes than that. But anyway, just wanted to show the bottle. Regardless of whether you like it or not, it's definitely one of the most interesting bottles I own. So that says a lot by itself. And that is all I have. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with the Fragrance Bros. Bye.